Hey guys, so today I'm actually out on a walk with my papa's dog. Here she is. Pixie, say hi to the camera. So yeah, I'm out on a run and a walk. I'm trying to run too, but I can't, so yeah, that's that. Nice day in our neighborhood. Hi. I'm good. There's this really cute Easter tree which has something in it. I just thought that I don't want to be too loud just in case there's other people, around. I thought, oh, maybe I can make this video because of how much I love running. And how much I love my dog. So, yeah. That's why I'm making this. Also, it's a nice day out, so I'm bored. I decided to go give my dog a walk. And then after, I'm going to go for a run. So, I'm running right now. But she's behind. So as long as I'm getting a little run in, that counts. She's also running, but look at my, this is how I have to run. Normally, I think after, I'm gonna go for a run and I'm gonna walk all the way around 3 times. Well, that's at least my goal. What are you doing, Pix? Come on, I wanna go for my run. Pixie! Pixie, what are you doing? Pixie, come on. Oh, go. Okay. Come on, other way. I'm gonna let her get ahead. Come on. Pixie, I don't have time for this. This is why I don't ever run while I have my dog. Normally it would work with bigger dogs, but it's not working right now. So I have to run technically in front of her. Oh, I have an idea. So there's this thing right here, just in case, has trash bags, just in case she goes to the bathroom. I have a zipper right here. It's a little hole. I'm gonna sit you guys down for a second. So I'm gonna undo it a good amount. So it's undone. I'm gonna have to undo the hook right here. And then I'm gonna hook the hole that's in through my little wampum belt design right here. It's right here, so I can do this. Pixie, nope, that's my camera. Pixie, we're not going anyplace. Nope, come here. Get your little aching banana butt over here. I'm not going anyplace until I get this. Heck. Alright, I got it. So, I am hands-free. This will be flopping, which is no big deal. But I won't have her for a long period of time. I'm gonna drop her in the house and then tell my papa I'm gonna go for a run around maybe a couple times while talking to you guys. But yeah, that's all I wanted to say for this. Stay tuned for my running episode that I'm gonna be doing. I'm gonna be going around 3 times so I can get into shape. I can only do it here because there's this little side path. It's not at my house, so it's way easier to do it over at my papa's. Actually, I think I'm gonna run around here, then cross, and then go up there at the end, and then run down, and then go all the way back. That's what I'm gonna do, probably. Come on, Pixie. Thank you. Come on, go. Bye, you guys.